I am repeating again that you will write it, this project you will write on A4 size page. Okay, so both sides are white in color. Okay, number 2 is you may use the glitter pen or sketch pen to draw the margins or to write the questions only. Number 3, you will use the blue or black pen to write the answer. Number 4, you may use some small diagrams or some downloaded pictures which you may paste there, which is regarding to that context. Okay, now the questions are: write a short note on greenhouse effect. Write a short note on greenhouse effect. Write a short note on greenhouse effect. Number 2, how greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. How greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. Number 3, detect some ways to decrease the production of greenhouse gases. Detect some ways to decrease the production of greenhouse gases. Now here one question arises, that is, what is the word limit and how to submit. Okay, so first question is that how to submit. So write the project as instructed and keep it reserved at your home. When your exam will come, it would be uploaded to the e-portal, or it may be manually submitted. It may be, but it is not confirmed till now, but it might be submitted offline. Otherwise, e-portal is there where you will submit. Okay, but this will be instructed later on. Okay, now what is the word limit? Now I am giving you one guess. Okay, giving you one guess. This is not the marks of the question. Write a short note on greenhouse effect. Okay, this generally of 3 marks. How greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming? That is 2 marks. Detect some ways to decrease the production of greenhouse gases. It is just like 3 marks. Okay, so regarding to that marks, you will elongate the questions. 3 to 3. No, you need not to come to school. Listen, you need not to come to school, just keep it reserved at your home, but get ready about that project. Okay, write a short note on greenhouse effect. You will easily get it from net and also from the NCERT books also. Okay, you need not come to school. You will write that project. Everyone, no confusion till now? Everyone has got their queries? At first, now you will just write on A4 page and get stapled. If it should be submitted manually, then it will be through channel file, just like the earlier years. Okay, now it need not to be do that, just keep it with a stapler. Okay, and if it should be submitted, then it should be instructed later on. There should be one front page regarding the school name, the class, the roll number, your name, etc. should be there. The subject will obviously be there, the session, these will be there, but it would be instructed later on, but just you will write the question and their answers. Okay. No, you need not to write in the computer. This is handwritten. You need not to write in the computer. It is handwritten. Yes, you can draw the diagram. Obviously, you can draw the diagram. Okay. Total pages. This is, I have given you some suggestion regarding the number. Okay, you may elongate it, but how elongate, what is your length? The length is not so much according to class 8 level. Okay. The first question is of 3 marks. You maximum, the number maximum for these 3 questions is 10 marks. Okay, so for 10 marks, how many pages? Only 3 or 4 pages, maximum 5 pages. And if a total page having any diagram, then it may be 5 or 6 pages. No word limit. No word limit is there. Generally, it comes under 5 pages. If you use only one side of that page. But if you use both of the side, then it is 3 or 4 pages maximum. It would be better that you will use one single page. You will use one single page for writing one answer. This should be started on at the beginning of the one page. It should be started at the beginning of one page, and this should be started on the beginning of one page. Okay. So 3 questions, generally 3 pages. And if you add extra diagrams or downloaded pictures, then it would be added everywhere. You may use the some designs may be there. Okay. Now coming to the context. Clear everyone regarding the project? Hope everyone is clear about the project. Next is that where we have completed, okay, time is also up. So we are discussing about air pollution. Now, what is air pollution? What are air pollutants? Examples of some air pollutants. Now, what is CFCs? I told you next day we will start from CFCs. CFCs are also an air pollutant. Now, what is the origin of air pollutant? These air pollutants, specifically this is originating from the refrigerant, the air conditioner basically. This is the coolant system. Okay. Now, as the climates are changing, the use of these materials are increasing. Nowadays, the use of these CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbon, are used, these are in gaseous form, and these are used as a coolant in refrigerant or in refrigerator or in air conditioner, etc. So what is the bad effects of this? This is, first of all, these are responsible for the smoke formation. What is smoke? That in the session, due to the sunlight, it generally breaks to produce one chemical substance. This is called free radical. Now these free radicals are easy to combine with other substances, producing some compounds, that is the peroxyacetonitrile, PAN. This is responsible for the smoke formation. Now another one is that this decomposition, that is the production of free radicals, is also responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. You come to know about ozone hole, and it is also told that due to the lockdown period throughout the world, the ozone hole are covered to some extent. Now these ozone hole are also done by the free radicals. These are as they are lighter, they are going to the upper atmosphere and reacting with the ozone, forming oxygen and any compounds. So this is the two reasons why the refrigerant or the coolant are dangerous for the environment. So this is the short note may be done on the CFCs. Okay. We can write in practical paper is if you have brought it from school, is it brought it from school? so it is not allowable, so better to submit to write it on a A4 size paper. Okay, better to write on the A4 size paper, because from the next year you having practical, then you have to submit it through practical paper. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Today on vital thing is that the project was given, so you get ready, write it and keep it reserved at your home. On the next day we will continue from CFCs. Okay, so thank you everyone. Wait your attendance